It starts with community.
It starts with community.
It starts with community. So here at Men Matter Scotland, we have been very lucky in receiving 2 rounds of the National Lottery Awards for All funding. The ripple effects, the impact of these projects we have seen has, it's made friendships, it's improved the health and well-being, physically, mentally, emotionally.
For Theodore Children's Charity, it actually had a huge impact. Not only did it help support the hospitals that we were already in, but we were able to return to 4 more hospitals. And as a result of that, we were able to visit more children, more families, and just continue increasing the children we were able to visit.
A Word for All grant is very good for foundation. We actually had it very early on, and it's been the foundation of what we built for the last 4 years.
Because what Awards for All has proved is that there is a great need. There's a rippling generosity in this neighbourhood, and with the experiences that people have through the Awards for All grant, it feeds back into the community, where then the community want bigger and better activities and want bigger and better resources, which then helps us then to seek further funding, and it has helped us, enabled us to be able to go for the grants and have been successful.
The funding that we received transformed lives. So the fact that the National Lottery Awards for All are investing more in that fund and recognise its value and importance for communities, delighted.
For so many small charities who are needing the funding to make a difference in their community, the National Lotteries Award for All grant does this. They're always happy to help. I've never not had my phone call answered or an email answered, and you can tell they're really passionate about what they do.
If anyone is thinking of applying for Awards for All funding, I would say just go for it. It was such an easy process, and it's been a godsend for us. It's given us opportunity to develop something new. Just contact them, find out what you can do, and they will support you all the way through it, but do it now.